Okay, so I have clicked a point. Okay, now one mistake I have done. Okay, one mistake I have done, which is I have not selected projection line. Okay, so I'll select projection line. Okay, I'll select line over here, and then I'll go up by 50 mm. Why 50 mm? Which is the height of that entire part. Then from here, okay, from here I have to go towards x direction by 100 mm. Okay, so that is the length of this entire part. Okay, after this, okay, you have to go towards right. Okay, so see, you can go up along which direction, that is z direction, along height direction. You can go along x direction, but you cannot go along y direction. Okay, so for that, what you have to do, listen to this very carefully. You have to go from one plane to another plane. Okay, so if this plane, okay, if this plane is x plane, if this plane is if this axis is x axis, this axis is z axis, so the plane in which we are working right now is xz plane. Okay, so now from that xz plane we need to switch over to a plane, maybe a yz plane or xy plane, where y axis is available. Okay, so how to do that? You have to press F5. Okay, if you press F5, you see the grid out here has changed now. Okay, so this is important. This F5, the grid has changed. Okay, now you tell me, looking at the grid, okay, which plane are in which plane are we have arrived? Can anyone tell
Z.
me?
फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट.
क्वाड्रेंट नहीं, यहाँ पे अभी हम लोग प्लेन
Why
में
is
देख.
it?
X,
Z,
Y,
Y.
X.
Yes, let us see. This is y plane, this is y axis, and this is x axis. So which plane we are in now?
XY.
XY plane. Everybody is getting this? Okay. So how much is the breadth over here?
Yeah.
Which is 60. Okay. 60 kya hai breadth hai. Okay. So everybody has understood this. Okay. This is
Yes, sir.
vertical is
Yes, sir.
z axis. Along right hand side is y axis, and along left hand side is your uh, x axis. Okay, so these are the three planes which you can see. Now if I press F5 again, okay, so you will get a plane which is in YZ plane. Okay, so there will be continuously switching between all these planes. Can you figure this out, everyone? You press
Yes.
Yes, sir.
you are changing the planes over here. Okay, so this is important in isometric projection. Okay, now we are going to draw the entire box over here. So now one of the most uh, versatile command which we are going to use over here is copy command or move command, which is very much useful in drawing isometric projection. Now you have three axes with you. Okay, so I'll select this z axis, which is of length how much, that is 50. I will copy. Okay, this is the base point. Okay, and I have to copy this over here, so I'll click it over here. Okay, now see, we are in which plane now? Which plane? This is x z plane. We are in x z plane. I'll press F5. I'll go in another plane where it contains y axis. Okay, so what I have done it over here is I have pasted this on the other side. Okay, everybody is getting this? Okay,
Sir, can you
similar.
please
Yes.
repeat this?
Similarly, copy this part, copy this part. Okay, this is the base point. Okay, where you have to copy this. Okay, where you have to copy this, you can copy it over here. Copy it over here. Okay, next I will change the plane. Okay, F5. If I press F5 along y direction, I will copy it at this endpoint. Okay, and I can copy at this endpoint. Okay, so I have copied it till three endpoints. Okay, now after this, okay, after this, the only thing remaining over here is y axis. So again, select this, copy. Hmm. This is the base point. This is the base point. Okay, click over here. Okay, and see, now it is going upwards. So what we will do is press F5, or if you press F8. Okay, if you press F8, what happens, students? What happens when you press F8? Which function is this?
Draw a straight line or an inclined line.
No, no, no. This function is ortho function. Ortho means you are going to only draw 90 degree. 90 degree. So now that ortho is off, so you can paste it anywhere. If I press, okay, F8, okay, so you can only paste this where the things are perpendicular, okay, or parallel, okay. So that is what significance of ortho command is, okay. So I'll press F5. I'll change the plane. I'll
Sir,
change.
can you repeat?
See, ortho command means what? You have to only draw 90 degrees. Okay, whenever you have to draw 90 degrees, that command will be used. So over here, if you see this, if you have to paste this over here, okay. So what happens is this is 90 degree to this axis, that is x axis. Okay, hence you can draw uh, over here. So that is where it is used. Okay, so I can paste it over here also, but I am not able to paste it over the other side. Now I can do that because I have changed the plane. So these things are done. Okay, everybody has understood this, copying this part. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now you tell me which lines are actually visible and not, which lines are hidden. Okay, I'm talking about this line. Okay, if this is a entire solid, is this line visible to you?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Oh, so I'll
No,
delete this part. Okay, so this becomes your actual box. Everybody has understood this?
Yes, sir.
I'll give
yes.
you 5 minutes. Okay, draw this entire part. What will be in front of you is this part will be in front of you. Okay, students, getting this? Okay, I'll give you 5 minutes to draw. Okay, students, are you done?
No, sir, wait.
Okay, take your time. Okay, just don't draw anything which I am drawing now. Whatever things is on the left hand side, you draw. Okay, meanwhile, if you have any doubt, you can ask me. Any part if you have not understood, ये कैसे करेंगे? Everybody
Sir,
has understood. हाँ,
the,
tell-
uh, the backlines which you just deleted, why didn't you make them hidden lines?
no. What we need is the plane which is projected in front of us. Okay, in isometric projection, whenever we are going to draw the things, okay, we are not going to consider the hidden part. Okay, understand this part. Okay, this is the 2D view which is given to you. Okay, now with the help of this you have to draw a 3D view. Okay, if you see, this is a 3D view over here. Okay, this line is going inside. Okay, similarly this line is also going inside, but are we showing those lines?
No, sir.
So that is the only reason that we are not going to do it over here also.
Okay, understood, sir.
Okay, now everybody has completed this part.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now pay attention to this part very carefully. Now there is one thing I need to do. Okay, now understand this part very carefully over here. Okay, we have evaluated length, breadth, height of this entire part. Okay, we have evaluated that. Okay, now in which direction front view will go? Okay, in which direction front view will go, that is, if the front view is in this plane or the front view is in this plane. Okay, we have to figure out that part. Okay, for that, this point over here, okay, is very important. Can you see this O over here, students, everyone?
Yes, sir.
You must
Yes,
have
sir.
studied this also. Okay, this point O is very important. This is the point of origin. Now, if the origin is on the right, then the front view is towards left. Okay, and if origin is towards left, then the front view is towards right. Okay, so what I have done over here is I have drawn two boxes over here. Okay, one is mirror image of the other. Okay, so now you tell me, the this part, that is, the origin is towards right, so in which side you will use? This side you will use right hand side or left hand side?
Left hand side, sir.
Yes, left hand side. Why left hand side? Because the origin is towards right, hence the front view will go towards left hand side, not on the right hand side. Okay, this part is important, that is the position of the origins. Many students, okay, forget this part. Okay, and they draw that entire part accurately, but what mistake they make is they do not know the position of the observer. Okay, so what I'll do over here, I will just write down the position of the observer. That is a multi-line text. I will put it over here. Okay, put it over here. That is, increase this. Increase this size to 7 first. Okay, right over here. This is position of the observer. So this is the position of the observer, which is important, which is here. Okay, so I'll put it over here. Everybody has understood this? Students, are you understanding
Yes,
this?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Once this is done,
Yes.
things are quite easy. Okay, what you have to do, we have got the front view plane, which is this. Okay, once we have got front view plane, directly draw the entire front view over there. Okay, so now we are going to draw the front view first. Okay, from here you have to go towards left hand side. Left hand side from here, how many mm you will go?
100.
100. How
100.
many mm above?
100.
How many mm above?
50.
50. How
50.
many mm towards the right? How much is this length?
12.
Yes, this 12
12.
will continue throughout. Okay, this 12 will continue throughout. Okay, how many mm you will go down from
30.
this end to this end? How much is this length?
38.
38. How
40.
we have evaluated this? 50 minus 12, that is 38. Okay, now
Yes, sir.
from here you will go towards right by how many mm? Till the very end. Okay, let's forget that. Till
88.
the very end, and we are going to join
88.
over here.
88.
Okay, so let me just write this. Okay, let me just write down. Okay, or we can do this now itself. Okay, first I will go 100. Okay, then I will go up by 50. I will go towards right by 12 mm. Okay, I will go down by 38. Okay, 38, enter, and till the very end. Okay, till the very end over here, that is 88. Okay, till the very end, and from here I'll go down. Okay, everyone has understood this. Now
Yes.
the part over here is not visible, so what we'll do over here is I'll just switch off this bulb. So now we have drawn whatever things we have had to be seen. Okay, everybody has understood this.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes.
and we have drawn. Okay, now not only this base part you have, okay, you have this portion also. Okay, so how will we draw this portion? First we have to figure out how much is this distance from this end. कितना distance है यहाँ से नीचे?
8.
8. Yes. How much is this? 30 plus how much is this? 12. That is become 42. 50 minus 42 becomes 8. So यहाँ से मैं 8 mm नीचे आऊंगा. How many mm you will go over here towards right?
44.
44.
44 is not given in front view. For that, you have to go in top view. Okay. In top view, this is given to you as 44. So from here, you will go ahead by 44 and you will go down by 30. Okay. So we'll do that over here. Okay. So from here, from this end, I'll draw a line which is going down by 8 mm. Okay. It is going towards it is going towards right by 44 mm, and from here it is going down by 30 mm. Okay, so this I have drawn. Okay, now how will you draw this entire part, this triangular part? How will you draw this, students? How you are going to draw this?
Directly joining 2 points.
Yes, directly we'll join from this end to this end. Okay, so what we are going to do is directly we are going to join from this end to this end. Okay, so partially front view has been done. Okay, partially front view has been done. I'll switch off the projection part. So we have drawn this. Everybody has understood this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now things are going to be getting interesting now. Okay, now once the front view has been projected, okay, now this front view have to be extruded towards right. So towards right we have to take this. Okay, how we are going to take this? Pay attention to this part carefully. Okay, so I'm going to take a line over here. Okay, and I'm going to draw from this end. Okay, to other end. Okay, so I'll press F5. I will change the plane. Okay, so I'm going to draw a line over here. Okay, now listen to this part very carefully how we are going to do. I'll switch off the projection line. Okay, and I'll copy the entire front view. I'll copy the entire front view. Okay, okay, I will copy this, okay, from this end to this end. Okay, I don't need this line should be deleted. Okay, everybody has got this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now there is only one more thing to copy. Okay. Okay. So now we have copied this entire front view along this entire breadth. Along this entire breadth. Okay. Now what we need to do, we have to give its breadth. Okay. Now how to do this? Okay. Pay attention. Copy this part. Okay. From this end. Okay. Copy it over here. Copy to this point. Okay. Okay, copy to this point. Okay, copy to this point. Okay, and copy till the last point. Now can you see it is taking shape?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now the last thing I'm going to ask you, we have to delete the hidden part. Okay, now I'll control A, I'll start trimming this part. Okay, so inside part whatever you have, one, okay, this line, entire line, two, okay, this line is not visible, this line is not visible, this, okay. Now these are individual lines, okay, individual lines, hence these lines should be deleted. Okay, so I'll just select this, delete, select this, delete, select this, delete, select this, delete. So hidden part what I have done, I have deleted. Okay, I think this is too much to absorb. Okay, what you do is I'll give you 5 minutes. Okay, okay, what you do is just try to draw this shape. Can you do this, students?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
take your time. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Okay, this will be in front of you because from this you have to draw the view. Students, if you have any doubt, you can ask me. Okay, done everyone? Students, are you done?
Done, sir.
Sir, can you please show the lines that are to be trimmed?
Yes. Okay, what you can do is select the lines. I have trimmed that. Select the lines again, you can delete. Okay, some of the lines will be,
Yes.
I'll just tell you, show this again. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, so this was the part. Okay, so what you can do over here is 1, okay, this is 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, you can delete this. Okay, when you delete this, you get this, the same part. Everybody has understood this? Students, have you understood this?
Yes.
Okay, now copy part has been done. Now the main part over here is move part. Okay, that move part we are going to see. Now what we have done over here, we have drawn the front view. Okay, we have drawn the front view and we have extruded the front view towards its entire breadth. Okay, now that we have done, but that is not true if you look from the top. Okay, now understand this part very carefully. Okay, understand this part very carefully. If you see this triangular part, okay, if you see its triangular part, the width of or the breadth of the triangular part is only 10. Everybody is understanding this? Okay, if you see the
Yes.
projection over here, the width of that part or the breadth of that part is only how much? 10. Okay, so what you have to do over here, you have to move this part. Okay, this is 1, 2 and 3. Okay, now this third line will not select. 1 and 2, what we are going to do? Move. Okay, we are going to move from here, okay, towards right. Okay, by how many mm? Can you tell me? From this end you are going to move till here, how many mm you will go?
10.
No, not 10 mm. 10
40.
mm is from this end.
50.
50, sorry.
50.
बराबर है? So from here you will go towards right by 50 mm. Press enter over here. So you have shifted the drawing. Everybody has got this? Students,
Yes, sir.
have you got this? Okay. Looking at the top view. Now, if you see this rectangle over here, okay, what is happening over here? This doesn't have a breadth of 60. It has a breadth of from this end to this end. Okay, so how much is that length? Okay, from this 40. From this end, how much is that length? From the other end, how much is that length?
20.
20. So what you have to do is you have to move this part. Okay, you have to move this line inside by how many mm? 20 mm. So what we are going to do, we are going to move. Okay, which line? This is the base point of the line. You have to move inside by how many mm? 20 mm. So I'll press 20 over here. Okay, now whatever extra things which you see over here, that you have to trim. Okay, so control A, what I'll do is, this is the extra part. Okay, that I'm going to trim. Okay, similarly this is the extra part. Okay, this is the extra part I'm going to trim. Okay, and this is an individual line which I'm going to delete. Okay, everybody has got this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now looking at the height of that part, now we have taken this inside. Okay, we have taken this inside. Looking at the height of this entire part, the height is 30. Okay, so this height over here is also 30. So we are going to copy it. We are going to copy it from this part to this part. Okay, similarly we are going to copy it over here also. Okay, getting this, students?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
now let us see along the breadth. This line we have to draw. Okay, this line we have to draw. That means you have to complete this like this and join it over here. So from here you have to complete it like this and join it over here. Now have you understood this part?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, have you understood this? Okay, what I'll do is I'll just do Control Z. Okay, we'll revise this part. Okay, revise this part. Okay, so this was the thing which we have seen. Okay, now first we have to take this part inside by how many mm? Okay, 50 mm. So that has gone by 50 mm. Next, this point will go inside by how many mm? 20 mm. So this has gone inside by 20 mm. Then there were this extra part which we don't want. That part we had to trim. Okay, that part we had to trim. So we have trimmed that entire part. Once this part has been done, what we have to project the height. Okay, so height over here is 30, which is height for this part also and height for this part also. Okay, so that we have done. Okay, now along its length also and along its breadth we have to complete the drawing. Okay, so along its length and along its breadth we have to complete the drawing. Okay, can you tell me any one line which is missing over here? There is one line which is missing. See, we have drawn it from this end to this end, from this end to this end, this end to this end. There is one line missing over here, which is this. Okay, that also we have to draw. That cannot be open. Okay, so we have drawn this. Everybody has understood this, students?
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
I'll give you 5 minutes. Okay, take your time and draw this part, but this won't be in front of you. Okay, you have to figure out from here how to draw that part. Okay, any doubt, students? You can ask me. Students, any doubt? Students, any doubt? Okay, am I audible to you, students?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, any doubt so far?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Okay, okay, let us continue this. Okay, now we have completed till this end. Okay, after this, what you have to do? Okay, you have to draw this circular part. Understand, this circular part is going to start from this end over here and it is going to go inside by 30 or semicircular part. So from on this plane it is going to start and somewhere 30 mm inside it is going to end. Okay, so we know that. Okay, so for that we have to draw this entire semicircle. Now how to draw this semicircle? Okay, very important, students. How to draw this semicircle? Pay attention to this part very carefully. How to draw this semicircle? Okay, now this is not a circle which you see over here. If you draw a circle over here, this is it will look like a circle, but it won't be there in isometric view. Okay, it won't be there in isometric view. So we need a circle which we can draw on an isometric plane. Okay, for that there is a command. Okay, here there is a command. You have to press over there EL. EL, that means ellipse. You can write this down. EL, that is ellipse. If you go in ellipse, it will ask you, give you three options: arc, center, isocircle. We have to select isocircle. Then it will tell us to specify the center of the isocircle. Okay, so now that center of the isocircle is this over here. If you hover over this entire line, okay, if you hover over this entire line, this becomes the center. So if I start drawing, this will go in this plane. Okay, that is XZ plane. If I press F5, it will go at the top plane over here, which is XY plane. If I press F5 again, then it will go in XYZ plane. Everybody has understood this? Students?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what we need it to be in XZ plane. So I will press F5. Now this becomes a proper plane on which we are going to draw. Okay, there are three options you will get. So we have to rectify that options accordingly. Everybody has got this? Okay, how much is the diameter or the radius? Radius is given to you. How much is that? That is 12. Okay.
12.
Now, over here. Now, whether looking at this entire diagram, okay, looking at this entire diagram, you tell me either you are drawing the circle with the help of radius or you are drawing the circle with the help of diameter. Look at this diagram. Tell me.
Radius.
Radius. You can see over here the line is starting from the center and it is going till the circumference. The distance between center and circumference is the radius. Okay, so now how much is the radius, which is 12? Will enter 12 over here. We will enter. So this has become the circle over here. Okay, now students, tell me, do we need a circle over here? Looking at the drawing, tell me, do we need a circle over here?
No, sir.
No, we need a semicircle. The upper part of that should be trimmed. So I'll just trim out this part. Okay, everybody is understanding this?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Now what you have to do? Okay, we have to see the breadth of the circle. The breadth of the circle is going to start at this surface which we have drawn, and this should go inside by how many mm? How many mm?
30
30. So we have to copy this entire semicircle at 30 mm. Okay, so I will just copy this and this line also along with that. It should be copied, okay, from this center. Okay, now it shouldn't go up, it shouldn't go down, okay, it shouldn't go towards left, okay, it should go inside. So it is not going inside. So what should I do now, students?
F5.
Ortho.
F5. We have to change the plane. So I'll press F5. Yes, it is now going inside. Now, how many mm it should go inside?
30.
30 mm. So I'll put 30 mm. I'll press enter. So it has gone inside by 30 mm. Everybody has understood this?
Yes.
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 Okay. Now, once you have understood this, now we have to draw this C section or inverted C, or you can see this as N section over here. Okay. Now, how we can draw this N section? Okay. Pay attention to this part carefully. Okay. Now, this entire semicircle is going to end over here. Okay. Here line, if you see this line over here, this line, if you see, this line is not a straight line. This is a semicircular part. Similarly, this is not a straight line in the top view. This is also a semi-circular part. Okay. So now that means what? You have to do Control A. Okay. And we have to trim this part. Okay. Trim this part. So this is how it will look like. Okay. Trim this part also. Trim this part also. Okay. Now understand this part carefully. Okay. Now we have to join this to make that end, from this end to this end. Okay. And from this end to this end. Okay. Can you see this N over here from the top?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now once that N has been done, okay, Control A, I will trim this small portion. Okay. I'll trim this small portion. This portion is hidden. Okay, that is not seen by us. Now, students, have you understood this?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now understand this. This is a bit tougher part. Okay, to grasp. Okay, so we'll revise this. Okay, so we'll revise this. Okay, so first, initially this was our drawing. Okay, then we saw in the front view there is a semicircle. So what we did over here, we have pressed EL enter. Okay, ellipse enter. In that we went in isocircle. Okay, and we have drawn. We have taken the center over here. Center, we hovered over this line. We have taken the center, and once we have taken the center, we have drawn the drawn the circle. Once this is done, okay, we had trimmed the upper part. Okay, because we needed only semicircle. Okay, now this entire semicircle plane should go inside by how many mm? That is 30 mm. So we have taken this inside by 30 mm. Okay, and then we know that from the top view, when we are going to look, these two lines are no longer a straight line. These lines are curve part. So hence we had to draw those lines at curve part, and we have to trim few lines. So we had started drawing the curve part, and we had started drawing the lines. Okay, then we had joined the other part for making that entire N section, and we had trimmed the small part over here. Students, have you understood this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so take your time, draw this entire section.
Sir,
Ah,
sir, how did you select that isometric in ellipse?
okay, I'll just show you. Okay, there is a line over here. Suppose I'll show this again. Okay, there is a line over here, line over here, and F8, F5. There is a line over here along this plane. Okay, now go in command bar, EL enter. Okay, that is ellipse enter. Now it will ask you specify the end point or ellipse, or any three options it will give you. So I need isocircle. Okay, in isocircle I need the center. So I can go over here, any point you can take this as center. There we took the midpoint as center. Now over here, this is which plane? YZ plane. Press F5. Press F5. This is XZ plane. Press F5. This is XY plane. So this will go in three planes according to our convenience, we need to draw the circle. Okay, we'll specify the radius. If the radius is 12, we'll put 12 over here. Whatever the radius is, we are going to put it over there. Okay, everybody has got this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now I'll put this in front of you. By looking at this front view and top view, you have to draw the other view.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, in the front view, the total length is 100, but in the top view, the total length is more than 100, 106.
No, it is not 106. I'll explain you. That is only 100. Then only these two things come cut to cut. See this over here, you draw a projection from here to here, you draw a projection from this end. Okay.
Sir, sir, this arc part is total 15, right? 50 is the length of the arc part.
No. Understand. I'll tell you how to draw that. This entire part which arc you see that has 20, radius of 20, 25. Okay. So from here, this is a quarter circle of 25. There is no circle out here. What you're talking about is 50 mm. That is not there. That is only 25 mm from there.
Okay, sir, understood.
Okay, any other doubt, students? Okay, the last part is this curve part which is left. Okay. Now this curve part, we can do this in two sections. Okay. Okay, the first section you can use this as fillet option. Okay, you can select this, you can select this. Okay, or let us see this again. Fillet will go in radius. The radius over here is 25. Okay, I'll select this part, I'll select this part. Okay, so that has become 25. Delete this. Have you understood this?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Can
sir.
you explain to us, sir?
Again I'll do this. Again I'll do this. We'll go in fillet part. Okay, I'll click on fillet. Okay, I'll go in the radius of that part. The radius we have to specify, which is 25. Now, once we have selected the radius, click on this line, click on this line. Okay, that has become the curve section. Okay, everybody has got this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Now the last part which is left is the circular part which you see in the top view and the hidden section which you see in the front view. Okay, so for that we need the center of this. So we have already, we will get the center of this part. Okay, center of this part is easier to get. Okay, if you just go over here, can you see this over here? This is the center of that part. Okay, center of that part. Okay, once you have got the center, we have to put the diameter as 20 or radius that is 10. Okay, so now I'll put over here EL, enter, that is ellipse in isocircle. Okay, the center, specify the center. I think yes, the center is over here. Okay, this is not the plane which we want. Okay, yes, this plane we want, that is 10. This is 10. Okay, this entire part is 10 over here. So once we have got this, okay, that is the circular part. From here we have to project this downwards because it is going throughout. Okay, so we will copy this. Okay, from this center you have to go down, not here, not here, you have to go down, press F5. You have to go down by how many mm? 10 mm. So we have gone down by 10 mm. Rest of the hidden section we have to trim. Okay, so this part we have to trim, this part we have to trim. That is how we have got this entire part. Students, have you understood this?
Yes, sir.
Select part.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and the circular part. Okay, can you draw this?
Sir, can you
Yes.
explain this part again?
Sir, how did you get the center, sir?
See, I'll do this again. Okay, if I click on line also, if I'll click on line and hover over this part, can you see this part over here? That is the curve section. Okay, so this part over here, when you will go to this point, this becomes the center of the quarter circle. Getting this, students? This becomes the center of the quarter circle. So we have got the center of the quarter circle. Okay, so now what we have to draw over here is ellipse. Okay, that is EL, enter, isocircle we have to draw. So isocircle, first we will specify the center. So I'll go over here. Okay, from here I'll go over here, this becomes the center. Okay, so function F5, I will change the plane, the radius is 10, I'll put 10 over here. Okay, so once this is done, I have to draw this entire section is throughout. Throughout means that is seen in the front view. This is a hole over here. The hole is punched in such a way that it is going through this entire layer. Okay, so what I have to do is, first I have to copy this. Okay, I have to copy this. Okay, okay, from this end it should go down. Okay, so I'll press function F5, it should go down. Okay, it should go down by how many mm? 10 mm. So I have put 10 mm. Okay, now in that part, this is the circle at the upper end, and you can see the lower circle at the base, that is the bottommost line. But the thing which will be visible, that is this entire section which is inside that. Okay, so for that we have to press Ctrl A. Okay, and we have to trim the other section. ये trim हो जाएगा and ये trim हो जाएगा.
Sir, the second circle will go down by 12, no?
12 it is. How much
Yes,
is that?
sir.
Okay, 12 mm. So that will go down by 12 mm. Okay. Let me just go back. Okay. The circle we have to copy and select this. I'll select copy. Okay, from the center. F5. It should go down by 12 mm. Okay, so it has gone down by 12 mm. Control A and trim. Okay, so this part should be trimmed and this part should be trimmed. So we have got the part. Everybody has got this?
Sir,
Yes,
can
sir.
you repeat once again?
First we have got the circle. Have you understood this part, beta?
Yes, sir.
हाँ. Once the circle has been done, this is the circle at the top surface, but the circle is the hole or a cylinder which is punched through the base. Okay. So for that we have to copy that by how many mm? By 12 which is going down. Okay. Sometimes what happens is this supposingly, okay, supposingly the thickness over here. Okay. I'll just copy this. Okay. Supposingly the thickness of the base is not 12 it is supposingly 20 okay, supposingly 20 if I put 20 over here, both the circles are not intersecting. So that in that case what will happen is we have to delete this and we have to see that this is a cylindrical part. Okay, sometimes what happens is the circles will intersect each other. If the thickness is less, the circles are going to intersect each other, so that time we have to consider that thickness. Okay, so copy this. Okay, this should go down, this should go down by how many that is 12 hence you can see over here there is a small intersection between the circle, so that is what we have to show. Okay, so to show that part, control A, we have to trim the outer part. We don't have to see because that is the hidden part. Okay, but this part is important because that is seen from the top. Students, are you getting this part?
Yes, sir.
Okay, everybody has understood this. Okay, I'll give you 2 minutes. Okay, what you do is you draw this entire part.
सर एक बार आप स्टार्टिंग वाला पार्ट बताएंगे क्या?
कौन सा वाला?
आपने मैं क्या स्टार्टिंग में मैं डिस्कनेक्ट हो गया था, स्टार्टिंग वाला जब आपने बॉक्स बनाया था.
ओके, वहां से तो अभी मेरे को undo देखना पड़ेगा. ओके, बॉक्स है ना. नाउ यू आर हियर, राइट? ओके, डोंट वरी, हम लोग और एक प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करने वाले हैं. उस टाइम आप अच्छे से देख लेना. ठीक है, द लेक्चर इज आल्सो रिकॉर्डेड, so don't worry about that. Okay, so are you done, everyone? Students, are you done?
Yes.
You need some time. Okay, now we have few minutes with us. Okay, what we'll do, we'll quickly solve the other problem also. Okay, which is this. And this is the problem. Front view and top view is given to you. But now the origin is towards left. Okay, the origin is towards left, so that means the front view should go towards right. Okay, so that we have to know. Okay, so looking at the diagram, okay, can you figure out length, breadth, height quickly? Tell me how much is the length, breadth, height?
Length 100, breadth 60, height 50.
Yes, length is 100, which is given over here in top view. Breadth is 60, which is part of the top view, and the height is how much? 50. Okay, so let us draw it over here with the help of projection line. Okay, so now with the help of projection line we will draw. So we have to have a height of 50. Okay, hold on. This should be projection line. It should be having a height of how much? 50. First thing. Okay, next part, the length of this part should be 100. Okay, length of this part should be 100. Okay, then the breadth of this part should be 60. The breadth of this part should be 60. Function fy. Okay, sometimes I will speak function fy for the students who are using laptop. Okay, I have a laptop of HP. So that time, you know, those figures over there cannot be directly operated. Hence, you need to press a particular key. Anyways, we'll copy this. We'll copy this. Press enter. from this end to this end, to this end also. Okay, similarly copy the other part, copy this object, press enter from this end, this end, this end, this end. Okay, and lastly copy this, copy from this end, okay. Lastly, I'll just join this directly. Okay, the hidden part should be deleted. So 1, 1 and 2 should go away. Okay, that is the length breadth box of this entire part. Everybody has got this. Okay, this was easy. Okay, this part was easy over here. Focus over here now. Okay, now we have to draw the front view. Okay, we have to draw the front view over here. So front view, this we have to draw. So from here, how many mm you will go up? Origin, how many mm you will go up? 20. Then from here you will go 30, 60. This length is again 20. Till the very end you will go. Then again 30, and you will join till here. Okay. So this is how you are going to go about. Okay. So this is drawing lines. Okay. From here, first you will go 20 up. Okay, then you will go 30 up. Then you will go towards right, function F5. Okay, you'll go towards right by 60, 20 till the very end, 30, 60. Okay, then go down by 20 and go ahead by, till the very end. In this section. Okay, once this is done, select line again. Then from this end point or intersection, go down and join it over here. Okay, if I switch off the bulb of projection line, what you are going to see is this entire part. Okay, anybody has a doubt? Okay, screen freeze ho gaya, students?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Have you understood this part?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
ये
sir.
front view का एक छोटा सा section है. Okay, then we have to draw this end. We have to draw from this end to this end. We have to figure out how much is the length, or we have to figure out this part where you can get this point. Okay, so that is at a distance of 30. Okay, so you draw a line which is perpendicular, or just draw a line from here which is 30, join at this line at 20. Okay, so we can do that. Okay, select a line from here, go towards right by 30. We have gone. Okay, then F8 बंद कर दो, that is ortho off कर दो, because we are drawing in any plane. तो यहाँ पे एक end point आएगा. Why I have drawn a end point over here? Because मैंने यहाँ पे जब भी line बनाया था, यहाँ से मैंने 20 mm up लिया था, वहाँ से 30 mm up लिया था. I have not taken 50 throughout. Why I have not taken 50 throughout? Because ultimately I had to join these two sections. Sections. So that time this 20 mm above, and then we have joined it over here. Okay, so this part is done. Okay, the next part which we need to do over here is to draw this entire semicircle. Okay, so semicircle हमें draw करना है. Now how to draw this semicircle? First we have to locate the center, which is at a distance of 30 mm from the origin, and the radius of this semicircle is how much? 18. So that we have to do. Okay, so first from here from here I will go towards right by 30 and just hold on. यहाँ पे F8 we have to switch on, that is ortho. Okay, this is 30. So we have gone inside by 30 mm. So this is the line. Okay. Now we have got the center over here. If we want to draw this as a center line, we can draw this also. Let's select center line. We will from this end. Okay, we have drawn a center line. Now this center line will represent what? There is a circular part over there. Okay, this is a center line. Okay, just for explanation I am drawing. There is no necessity of drawing a center line over here. Okay, anyways, once this is done, we have to draw a semicircle. So for semicircle, EL, that is ellipse, enter. For that, isocircle, okay, specify the center, which is this. Okay, just hold on. This should be drawing line. Okay, EL, enter, specify the center, which is isocircle. Click over here. Okay, from that, this is the plane in which we have to draw. The radius of this part is 18, so we'll put 18 over there. Okay, and the lower section of the part we have to trim this out. So I have trimmed the lower section out. I have trimmed this lower section out. Okay, everybody has understood this much? Students, have you understood this much?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now the next part, what we have to do in next section? क्या करना है? Next section में क्या करेंगे? Once you have completed with this section, what we are going to do after this?
So copy करेंगे.
Copy. We'll copy this exact front view till the entire breadth. Okay, पूरे breadth तक हम लोग इसको क्या करेंगे? Copy करेंगे. Before we do that, okay, we have to draw this line. That is from one end to the other end. If you don't draw this, that is also fine, not a problem as such. Okay, so control, I will just switch off, lock this layer and switch off this layer. I'll do Control A, but let's forget that. Let's select this entire part. Okay, I will copy this. Okay, from this end to how many mm? That is 60 mm. 60 mm tak copy karo. Okay, once this is done, we have to again paste this, copy this to the very edges. Okay, now understand this part carefully. Okay, so I am going to copy this line. Okay, I'm going to copy this line, enter. Okay, first from here I am going to copy this at this point, copy this at this point, then this point. Okay, then this point. At the edges, wherever you see edges, that at that point you have to put this. Okay, and again at this point. Getting this, everyone? Students?
Yes,
Are
sir.
you getting this? Okay, once I have copied this, okay, few things won't be visible from the top. One, this is 2, this is 3. I will delete this. Okay, this is not visible. Even this line over here is not visible. Okay, the circle over here will be also not visible because that is inside. Okay, the important part over here is, okay, I'll delete this line. The semicircular part over here is hollow. This trim this out. The semicircular part is hollow. Any other hidden lines which you see? Students?
Sir, वो corner में.
Yes, corner. There are few hidden parts over here. Control A, trim this part. Okay, this part you can trim. Okay, and this also you can delete. Okay. This is also not necessary now. This is also not necessary now. I'll delete this. Okay. Now understand this part. I know there are many things which are left to trim, but understand this part. Once we have done, okay, understand this. This semicircle is going throughout, so there is no problem out there. Okay. But if you see this, can you see this T section? 1 2, ये पूरा T दिख रहा
Yes,
है
sir.
तुमको?
Yes, sir.
We have to draw that T. Okay, now how will we draw that T? From here you have to go inside by few mm, and from here you have to come towards right side by few mm. How much is
15
these?
mm.
This
15 mm.
15 mm. So वो 15 mm हम लोग को एडजस्ट करना है. Okay, so now ये जो पोर्शन है 1 2 and 3, ये 15 mm से अंदर जाएगा. Okay, so that we have to move now. Okay, from this end you have to move inside by how many mm? 15 mm. Okay, similarly 1 2 and 3, you have to take this outside by 15 mm. Okay, inside by 15 mm. So यहाँ से ये बेस पॉइंट है, यहाँ से इसको अंदर लेना है by how many mm? That is 15 mm. Okay, everybody has got this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now the next part is this entire incline line. अभी ये दिख रहा है incline line, which is this line over here. Okay, and which is this line. So that incline line it is visible to us. Okay, that we have to take out. Okay, now understand this part very carefully. ये जो incline line है, this incline line, when you see from the top, you see this entire thing as rectangle. Okay, so understand this part very carefully. What I'm going to do is I'm going to select this line. Okay, I'm going to copy this from this part to this part. Okay, जो ऊपर वाला part है वो delete हो जाएगा. Okay, that is this should be deleted. This part, okay, I'll just trim this. This part should be trimmed. Getting this, students? Okay, यहाँ से एक line draw करना पड़ेगा. That is, you have to complete this part. Function F5. Getting this, everyone? If you see this
Yes,
from
sir.
the top, if you see this from the top, you will see this as a rectangle. But if you see from the front view, you will see this as an incline line. Okay, so that we have to draw. Similarly, on the left hand side also, we have to do the same thing. So from here, copy this, from here till here. Okay, ये होने के बाद ऊपर वाला part जो भी है उसको delete या फिर trim कर दो. So once you have to do this, okay. ये वाला part अभी दिखेगा नहीं, ये वाला part भी दिखेगा. This part is also now gone. Everybody has understanding this?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, once this is done, okay, the next part we have to do is we have to put this entire slot. Okay, एक slot है. So you have to go down by, okay, how much is this length, students? This is 20. बीच में यहाँ पे भी
Sir, 20.
20, sir.
20 यहाँ से आना है. How many mm you have to go inside? तो आपको फ्रंट व्यू में मिलेगा. कितना है वो?
30.
Again 20 आपको बाहर आना है, and again 30 आपको इधर जाना है. So at this surface you have to do. Okay, so select this. Okay, from here you have to go outside by 20. Okay, you have to go in this direction by 30. Okay, you have to go in this direction by 20. You have to go in this direction by 30. Okay, ये हो गया. But since this is the top surface, ये surface जो ऊपर का दिख रहा है, this is the top surface, ये दोनों points जो है अभी lines ये नहीं दिखेंगे. Okay, to trim this part, Control A, trim, ये part नहीं दिखेगा. Okay, similarly ये part भी नहीं दिखेगा. क्यों नहीं दिखेगा? There is a slot over there. Slot का मतलब क्या है? वहां से एक हम लोग ने punch किया है, drill किया है. Okay, everybody has understood this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and few
Yes, sir.
minute things which convert the lines, okay, which convert this into a 3-dimensional drawing. यहाँ से एक line नीचे draw करनी है. This line will represent, it is a 3D view. Okay, so ये line मैं नीचे draw करूँगा, so you can see over there this has become a 3D view. Okay. Similarly, the line should go from here also. Line should go from here also. It should go inside. Okay, by few mm. Itna mm inside jayega. Okay, and that line will be visible. Okay, which line is visible? This line is visible. So this becomes the entire portion. Okay, students, have you understood this?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
so okay, practice these two problems again and again. Okay, so I'll just rename this. Okay, I'll save as this is isometric. Okay, these two problems. Okay, ये अच्छे से करो. यही एग्जाम में आने वाला है in your practical exam also and in your unit test exam from isometric projection. Whereas from this PDF, whatever problems you have above this, ऑर्थोग्राफी से क्या आएगा? प्रॉब्लम नंबर 51, 52, 53, 54, 55 एंड 56. 6 प्रॉब्लम में से कौन सा भी एक प्रॉब्लम आएगा इन सेकेंड यूनिट टेस्ट और इन
Practical.
ओके एवरीबॉडी, हैव यू अंडरस्टूड दिस? ओके, ये
Yes, sir.
आएंगे. These two problems are going to come. Okay, any doubt here, students? Any doubt?
No,
Sir,
sir.
So what about the person who has not having a device?
हाँ, जिसके पास ये नहीं है, दैट इज ऑटोकैड नहीं है, उनको यही प्रैक्टिस करना है. कहाँ पे प्रैक्टिस करोगे? नोटबुक के ऊपर. वो आपको सबमिट करना है.
Sir, can you share the recording of this?
Yes, yes, of course. That I'll share because now this comes under my domain. Okay, तो ये मेरी लिंक है तो मैं तो दे दूंगा या फिर मैं YouTube के ऊपर डाल दूंगा. वो लिंक मिल जाएगी.
सर YouTube पे डाल दो.
हाँ.
Sir, डाल
Okay,
वो
I'll
better.
stop presenting this. Okay, do you want to do ये हो गया आपका? ड्रॉ करके हो गया students? Have you drawn this?
No, sir,
No,
doing.
sir.
Second one is left.
Okay, take your time, draw this. Okay.
Sir, provide that PDF
क्या?
that you are showing.
Yes, that PDF I'll give it to you. कौन से क्लास से हो आप?
Class
8
3.
के तो हाँ,
Class 3, sir.
क्लास 3 ना.
And sir, class 4 also, sir.
क्लास 4 also. एक मेरे को मैसेज कर देना व्हाट्सएप के ऊपर. ओके, प्लीज प्रोवाइड द PDF. तो मैं आपको फॉरवर्ड कर दूंगा, फिर आप सबको भेज देना और वहाँ पे लिख भी देना कौन सा पेज नंबर से कौन से प्रॉब्लम सेकेंड यूनिट टेस्ट में आने वाले हैं. ठीक है?
Okay, सर.
ओके, लास्ट पेज छोड़ देने का. उसके ऊपर जितने भी ऑटोकैड प्रैक्टिकल्स लिखे हुए हैं, वहां से प्रॉब्लम्स आने वाले हैं. Okay, I'll give you this 2D view. With the help of 2D view, we have to draw the 3D view. Okay. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Okay, students, are you done drawing this part? हो गया ये ड्रॉ करके?
Yeah, sir.
Okay, so I'll stop the recording and stop presenting this. Okay, meanwhile, anything you need to ask?
No, sir.
सर
हाँ बोलो.
सर एग्जाम और प्रैक्टिकल में ऑर्थो या आइसोमेट्रिक में से एक आएगा या दोनों में से एक आएगा?
नहीं
और
नहीं
तो
नहीं,
यार-
दोनों करना है. एक आइसो भी करना है और ऑर्थो भी करना है.
सर टोटल कितने प्रॉब्लम आएंगे मतलब जो हमें करने हैं?
इसके यूनिट टेस्ट 2 में 2 प्रॉब्लम करने हैं. ओके, एक आइसोमेट्रिक का करना है, ऑर्थोग्राफी का भी करना है.
और सर टाइम कितना मिलेगा?
टाइम थोड़ा ज़्यादा मिलेगा, अब तक उसके ऊपर डिस्कशन होना है, क्योंकि इतना फटाफट तो हो नहीं सकता. क्योंकि when you are going to draw this, okay, on AutoCAD 1 hour is enough to draw this. Okay, ऑर्थोग्राफी के कौन से भी 2 व्यू बोलेंगे आपको ड्रॉ करने के लिए, तो that can be done, but isometric is quite easy to draw on AutoCAD. जिसके पास AutoCAD नहीं है उनका क्या, उनको तो बहुत टाइम जाता है. We need to first segregate the students जिसके पास AutoCAD है और जिसके पास AutoCAD नहीं है. प्रैक्टिस करके रखो ये. ओके, we'll increase the time. ओके, कैसे अभी तक पेपर पैटर्न के ऊपर डिस्कशन हो रहा है, बिकॉज वी हैव टू पुट MCQs ऑल्सो. तो ये 15 मार्क्स का अगर एग्जाम है, 5 मार्क्स MCQ रहेंगे, 5 मार्क्स फॉर ऑर्थोग्राफी, 5 मार्क्स फॉर आइसोमेट्रिक. तो इट विल बी लाइक दैट. या फिर हम लोग अगर टाइम का क्रंच है तो वी विल प्लान इट आइसोमेट्रिक और ऑर्थोग्राफिक फॉर यूनिट टेस्ट 2 ओनली. हाँ, जो भी मैं बोल रहा हूँ यूनिट टेस्ट 2 के लिए बोल रहा हूँ. अब तक डिस्कशन होना बाकी, अब तक चीजें क्लियर नहीं हुई. ओके, एग्जाम
Okay, sir.
फाइनल एग्जाम रहेगा, प्रैक्टिकल एग्जाम रहेगा, तभी ओके 50 मार्क्स का पेपर जब भी रहेगा तभी तुम लोग को 2 घंटा दिया जाएगा. वो 2 घंटे में आपको ऑटोकैड एग्जाम, ऑटोकैड के ऊपर ये बनाना है, दिस आइसोमेट्रिक एंड ऑर्थोग्राफिक बोथ. ओके, और आइसोमेट्रिक एंड ऑर्थोग्राफिक बोथ यू हैव टू ड्रॉ. आइसोमेट्रिक विल बी फॉर 20 मार्क्स, ऑर्थोग्राफिक विल बी फॉर 30 मार्क्स. जब भी हम लोग ऑर्थोग्राफी 30 मार्क्स के लिए पूछते हैं तभी हम लोग 3 व्यूज पूछेंगे, फ्रंट व्यू, टॉप व्यू, साइड व्यू, या फिर सेक्शनल फ्रंट व्यू, टॉप व्यू, साइड व्यू, डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द प्रॉब्लम. आइसोमेट्रिक का तो सेम ही है. ओके, दैट इज it will be given to you दोनों में
2D and we have to draw 3D only.
हाँ, क्या क्या बोल रहे हो?
तो 2D व्यू दिया रहेगा और 3D बनाना है ना?
हाँ, दैट इज आइसोमेट्रिक. आपको थोड़ी ना सोल्यूशन देंगे और आपको देख के बनाना है, ऐसे थोड़ी ना होगा.
Yeah. Sir, provide the link in which we have to fill.
क्या क्या लिंक कौन सा चाहिए आपको? Which link you need now?
The filling the details, sir.
हाँ, वो लिंक आएगा, मंडे तक आ जाएगा वो.
Okay, sir. Shall we leave now?
Yes. Okay, this is an extra lecture. Okay, इसका अटेंडेंस कुछ नहीं है.
थैंक यू सर.
completing
Thank
the
you, sir.
Thank you,
थैंक यू
sir.
सर.
okay.
Thank you, sir.
इलेक्ट्रॉनिक से है वो, मेरे को मैसेज करो एक दिन. एंड
Hello, sir.
हाँ, एक मिनट मैसेज करो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स और इलेक्ट्रिकल से जो है. मैसेज आने के बाद मैं वो PDF फॉरवर्ड कर दूंगा. उसका लास्ट पेज छोड़ देना, बाकी के ऊपर के जो प्रॉब्लम्स है, ओके, 51, 52, 53, 54 से आई थिंक कुछ तो है 8 प्रॉब्लम्स है.
So we have got the PDF.
हाँ, वही मेरे को मैसेज करो, मैं फॉरवर्ड कर दूंगा. ये
सर मिल गया.
We have got it.
सर भरत ठीक है.
हाँ,
सर मतलब प्रैक्टिकल में तो ऑटोकैड कंपलसरी रहेगा ना?
ऑटोकैड देखो, अब अगर आपके पास नहीं है ऑटोकैड, सपोजिंगली तो बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स के पास डेस्कटॉप नहीं है, PC नहीं है, ठीक है, सो वो लोग को भी ड्रॉ करना पड़ेगा. किसके ऊपर ड्रॉ करना पड़ेगा? दैट इज ऑन ड्राफ्टिंग मेथड. दैट इज यू हैव टू ड्रॉ इट ऑन स्केल पेंसिल से ड्रॉ करना पड़ेगा एंड उसको अपलोड करना पड़ेगा. ओके, बट आई एडवाइज यू टू थोड़ा जुगाड़ कर लो, आजू बाजू जो आपके रिलेटिव्स और फ्रेंड्स रहेंगे, ओके, उनके पास अगर पीसी रहेगा तो इंस्टॉल कर देना और थोड़ा प्रैक्टिस करके एग्जाम दे देना. इट विल बी इजी ऑन ऑटोकैड टू बी ऑनेस्ट. अगर वर्स्ट कम वर्स्ट सिनेरियो अगर नहीं होता है, ओके, आई वोंट प्रेशराइज यू स्टूडेंट्स की जाओ आपके मम्मा डैडी को बोलो कि आपको लैपटॉप लेके दे, ये बहुत बड़ा एग्जाम है, ये है वो है. आई कांट पुट प्रेशर ऑन यू ना. So that is not in my hand, okay, since we are all suffering from this pandemic, okay, so it's not ethical to do that, okay, though university has said that in worst come worst scenario, okay, you can allow the students to use normal drafting. और उसके अंदर भी वो लोग ने ऑप्शन दिया है, if you have seen the guidelines, ऑप्शन दिया है कि try to make sure कि friends relatives जिसके पास लैपटॉप फोन है वहां से आपको ये करना पड़ेगा. एंड देर इज AutoCAD 3D ऑन व्हाट एंड्रॉइड का ऐप भी है, but that app is costing you 3000 something rupees, okay, which is not advisable to buy that just for an examination purpose. So that is not advisable, okay. उसके ऊपर अलग प्रैक्टिस करनी पड़ती है. हम लोग यहाँ पे कैसे ये डालते हैं, कमांड्स डालते हैं, दैट इज टफ टू ड्रॉ इन स्मॉल स्क्रीन. वहाँ पे आपके पास माउस नहीं होता है, सिर्फ टच के बलबूते के ऊपर आप सब करते हो, so you cannot do that, okay. प्लस प्रोसेसर आपका बहुत स्ट्रांग होना चाहिए आपका, नहीं तो फोन हैंग हो जाएगा. so that all things are there, okay. Anything
Yes, sir.
else you need to ask?
No, sir.
So
Thank you.
will you take more lecture on this AutoCAD?
AutoCAD किसके लिए चाहिए? एक्सोमेट्रिक की
The practice के लिए sir.
ऑर्थोग्राफी के लिए चाहिए.
Yes, sir.
हाँ
Orthography.
सर, यस सर.
ऑर्थोग्राफी के लिए चाहिए
Isometric
तो
समझ
एक
गया.
बार आपके टीचर से बात करो. आपको ड्राइंग कौन सिखाते हैं? आई थिंक भरत सर सिखाते
Bharat
हैं.
sir, yes.
हाँ, तो इनसे उनका जब भी लेक्चर रहेगा ना, तुम लोग का ड्राइंग का लेक्चर नेक्स्ट वीक में, तभी कुछ हम लोग एडजस्टमेंट कर लेंगे. मैं उनका लेक्चर ले लूंगा, वो मेरा लेक्चर ले लेंगे. तभी पूरा क्लास अवेलेबल रहेगा, तो तभी हम लोग ये पूरा चीज कर देंगे. यू कॉन्टेक्ट हिम, उनके टाइम टेबल के ऊपर से हम लोग सेट करेंगे. या फिर अगर नहीं होता है, ओके, नेक्स्ट सैटरडे या फिर संडे को के टाइम हम लोग कर देंगे, क्योंकि 15 को एग्जाम आपका चालू हो रहा है. आई थिंक 15 या 16 को, ओके,
16 sir, 16.
16 को चालू हो रहा है ना. तो पहला दिन कुछ तो मैथमेटिक्स और ये रहेगा, क्या फिजिक्स रहेगा, एंड फिर 2 दिन की छुट्टी है आपको, दैट इज सैटरडे संडे, एंड फिर मंडे
Yes, sir.
को एग्जाम. तो नेक्स्ट सैटरडे को भी हम लोग ऐसे ही टाइम पे प्लान कर सकते हैं अगर, ओके, मुझे उनका लेक्चर लेने को नहीं मिलता, क्योंकि द टाइम विच ही हैज लेक्चर आई एम बिजी. तो ऐसा होता है, कभी कभी क्लैशिंग होता है. तो ऐसा कर सकते हैं हम लोग, ठीक है. एनीथिंग एल्स स्टूडेंट्स यू नीड टू आस्क?
No, sir.
ओके, इफ यू डोंट हैव एनी डाउट्स, ओके, अगर आप शाय हो डाउट्स पूछने के लिए तो चैट सेक्शन में डालो, आई विल आंसर फ्रॉम देयर आल्सो, नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम.
सर
बोलो.
सर आप राम सर को बोलिए ना आपका रिकॉर्डेड लेक्चर हमें भेजिए.
हाँ, आई विल आस्क हिम, ओके, टू सेंड यू द रिकॉर्डिंग. अभी वो सर को है ना अपलोड करना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि आई डू दैट पार्ट, क्योंकि वो बहुत इजी हो जाता है, ओके. रिकॉर्डिंग करके अपलोड यूट्यूब के ऊपर करना, दैट बिकम्स वेरी इजी. बट
सर लिंक शेयर कर देना ना फिर.
सर जीसीआर पे भी
Link में
अपलोड
कैसे
कर
होता
देंगे
है
तो
ना?
भी चलेगा.
लिंक में कैसे होता है, वो परमिशन पूछता रहता है बार बार, ओके. उससे अच्छा क्या है, वंस वी हैव टेकन दिस लेक्चर वी कैन यूज दिस फॉर फर्दर रेफरेंस आल्सो. अभी तक मेरे पास ये लेक्चर, अभी जो करंट लेक्चर है उसका रिकॉर्डिंग तो नहीं आया है, ओके, ओके, जल्दी आ जाएगा, तो आई गिव
सर
यू.
यूट्यूब पे डालोगे ना, यूट्यूब का लिंक मैं बोल रहा हूँ.
हाँ, यूट्यूब पे डालूंगा, आपको लिंक तो मिल जाएगा. If you go to my channel also, अगर चाहिए तो मैं यहाँ से भेज देता हूँ चैट सेक्शन में. There are few बेसिक्स ऑफ AutoCAD पे जो ये है लेक्चर्स है मेरे, I have taken few days ago, that is also there. So that is also I'll share to you. Okay, anything else? मैं एक लिंक शेयर कर रहा हूँ, बेसिक ऑफ AutoCAD. ओके, वो सेटिंग्स कैसे करते हैं वो सारी चीजें हैं इसके अंदर. Okay, so you can take this. Okay. Anything else, students, you need to ask? Okay, I'm there till next 2 minutes. Okay, 1:03 हो रहा है. I'm there till 1:05. Okay. Once, if you don't have any doubt, then you can leave the meeting, or else I'll leave the meeting by 1:05. कुछ डाउट है, किसी को पूछना है?
No, sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, no problem.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Okay, thank you, sir.